Hey class. One thing that you can do is use StatCrunch. StatCrunch can run a full hypothesis test mostly, a bit of a shortcut for you. So I thought I would try this number 7 that we just did in that last video, but using StatCrunch as opposed to the by hand table method. So the way that works, you still have to, you just have to do this on your own, setting up your HOHA. What StatCrunch will get you is this piece right here. It's going to find the Z and the P for you. So let me bring that up and we can play around with the StatCrunch feature. All you need is a blank open StatCrunch page, and where you're going to go is stat, and it's ZStat. It's kind of the same location as confidence intervals. So stat, ZStat, one sample with summary. Okay, so there's the location for the hypothesis test. So I'll hit enter on that. And we've done this page before, except for with confidence intervals. Notice there's also a hypothesis test choice. Okay, so I'm going to put in my sample data. The sample mean on this one was 31.7, and the the standard deviation given was 0.8. Population standard deviation. And then the sample size, they chose 50 bottles. And then I got hypothesis test chosen. And then here in this window, I've got to put the value I used in my HO, which was 32. I had mu equals 32. And then I'm going to choose the correct inequality depending on what I wrote down. So we had a not equal, so I'll leave it. Or as a left-tailed test less than or greater than, I can choose it. This one by default is just going to be equals. You can't really change it. Don't worry about that. This is the important one. Just make it match the HA, right? That's it. Hit compute, and it matches the numbers that we got. Really, I'm after these two right here, right? The Z value was negative 2.65, and the P value was 0.008. That's what we got by hand. It matches StatCrunch. So there's your alternative method for these. If you want to use that StatCrunch way, go for it. Okay. Otherwise, you're still going to have to make or decide to reject or fail to reject H sub 0, and then make your final conclusion after that. Okay. All right. Hope that helps. Talk to you later.